What's up, you guys? Welcome back to RPA Trucking and Survival. Make sure you hit that like button and that you subscribe. Any questions you have, comment or send me an email to redpillaware@yahoo.com. Where's the money at in trucking? I'm going to say it flat out right here, right now. If you're brand new to trucking, come on over to JB Hunt. If you've got your experience down, at least 6 months to a year, start getting in a flatbed. That's where the money's at. Flatbed and hauling hazmat. So as far as flatbed though, that's heavy haul, and then you'll be of course strapping and chaining things down, but it pays. They pay you for strapping it down, they pay you for unstrapping, for tarping. The mileage pay is really good. There are a few companies I've looked into, and I'm not planning to leave JB Hunt anytime soon. My channel, remember guys, is geared towards the family man. So I'm able to get home 3 to 4 days a week. Going out and hauling, refrigerated and dry van, you're not gonna start making money until you've got some years under your belt. For example, there's this guy that works for Roll that I met. He showed me his paycheck, R-O-E-H-L, Roll. It's the company name. He's making 73 cents a mile, but it took him about 10 years to get there. Going into flatbed, doing heavy haul, you can start making that money, real good money, right off the bat. As soon as you're done with training on that, that's really the way to go. And then your own truck. Oh, see guys, owner operators, I used to be very adamant, and it still stands true, that owner operator is not the way to go. It's just way too much that you're paying out, man. But where guys mess up in owner operatorship is they start living like a rock star. You can't do that. You got to save your money, everything that you make, for truck repairs. What I did was I started at the top. These guys, Southern Point Distribution, you're talking about making $350,000 a year. You got to have your own truck and your own flatbed. So there's that. I started at the top, I worked my way down. They then directed me to someone else who directed me to someone else where I can start in flatbedding. Not saying I'm leaving JB Hunt yet, because I'm not. I want to put in good time here. I want to work up my resume, and I most definitely want at least a couple of years of safe driving awards. Because you see, you guys, if you're able to prove that you're a good driver through certificates like that, when you go to other companies, you can negotiate your pay. You don't have to start at the bottom. You can start in the middle, maybe even at the top, especially in flatbedding where it's worth it. Dry van and refrigerated is not worth it to be away from family. It's not worth it. Flatbedding, doing heavy haul, trucking like that becomes a little bit more worth it. It's a little bit more money. To me, you're looking, see, $80,000 a year is worth it. And you can start looking at making even more than that quick. You can actually save money to get your own truck and to get to a company like Southern Point Distribution, which hauls jet engines, plane engines, and other aircraft inventory. So also working for the government, hauling, as a matter of fact, I have a buddy I met through Facebook, and he hauls military vehicles and heavy equipment, and it pays good, guys. It pays like $6 grand a week. So if you live under your means and you're smart about it, there's no problem with being an owner operator, but that's the only kind of stuff that pays. Heavy equipment, flatbed work. Bada bing, bada boom. So there it is in a nutshell. I want to make the video short and sweet. This is actually my third take in trying to get it just right for you guys, so that I'm spitting out all the facts and details right away for you. But that is where the money's at. Also hauling dirt. These rubbish companies, I was actually talking to my dad. He was talking to me about this guy who's a good friend of one of our close family friends. He's a multi-millionaire. He just finished buying a yacht. He just bought a vacation home, and we're talking a decked out vacation home. You know what? If I can get him on an interview on my channel and have him talk to you guys, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna make it happen. I'll make it happen. I'll set it up and see about that. This guy's got a lot of knowledge, so I will have that for you guys very, very soon. It'd be good to pick the brain of a wise man with some experience and with the money to back it up, okay? And especially to back up everything that I'm talking about. So there that is. That's how you're gonna make money in trucking. Anyway, I got into JB Hunt less than 3 months of experience, and I got here and I'm grossing. You can search a video that I made. It's called JB Hunt, putting it on the glass, paycheck, something like that. And I'm grossing anywhere. I'm grossing in each week anywhere from $1,200 to $1,500 per week. I had one driver referral bonus where I grossed $2,600. So it's been a really good experience. I have all of you guys to thank, and I'm grateful. A lot of gratitude to all my subscribers. We're almost at 400 subscribers here. I'm gonna have to do a giveaway soon, some kind of a little giveaway here when I hit 500 subscribers. So keep on sharing the content, keep on liking, and keep having your people, your friends' ears subscribe. You're getting a raw, from the beginning, from a guy's beginnings in trucking to where I'm at now. And it's only been getting better. It's only been getting more productive, and it's only been making me happier and my family. So anyways, guys, I hope that this video gave you, especially for you new truckers, is what my channel is geared toward, a new piece of land to sail towards. Okay, give you some new goals, some new thoughts. Anyways, looks like my guy is here and he's fixing my tire. I had a flat. I'm on my way out of El Paso, Texas right now, and just doing pre-trip and discovered a flat tire. So there I don't know if you can see, I got you guys hooked up to the charger, and there he is. He's about done, and I can get myself on the road. You can see I don't know if you can see that there. We use a PeopleNet here at JB Hunt. I really got sick of that sonar. PeopleNet, it has its ups and downs like anywhere, but for the most part, it's all good. There's some trailers. I just parked that one up there earlier. So anyway, you guys take care. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like. See y'all on the road, man.